Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mushroom quesadilla. First, gather your ingredients like fresh mushrooms, tortillas, and your preferred cheese. Next, dice your mushrooms and onions into small, even pieces. This ensures they cook thoroughly and distribute well. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now let's cook our filling. Heat a skillet over medium heat, adding a tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Add the diced mushrooms and onions, sautéing them until they are tender and slightly browned. This brings out their rich, earthy flavor. Season the mixture with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a dash of garlic powder to enhance the taste. Cook until fragrant. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on making mushroom quesadillas, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And speaking of easy meals, why not make your meal prep even simpler? Check out these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for storing your quesadilla leftovers or any other delicious meals. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Time to assemble our quesadilla. Place a tortilla in the skillet, then sprinkle a generous amount of cheese over one half. Next, spoon your delicious mushroom filling evenly over the cheese. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Fold the other half of the tortilla over, pressing gently. Cook until both sides are golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.